Alright, what if I ask you to multiply 54 multiply 11? So you had probability start doing a long multiplication the old fashioned way, like this, right? But what if I told you that you can crush this problem in under 5 seconds using a secret shortcut? So now let's break it down step by step. So take the number 54 and write the 5 on the left side. Okay. Then write the 4 on the right side, leaving a little space in the middle. Next, simply add these two digits 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Now write the 9 in the middle of the other two numbers. So your answer is 594. No calculator, no scratch paper, just pure logic. Think you have got it? So prove it. Use this secret shortcut to solve this 43 multiply 11 and drop your answer in the comments. Let's see who has become a human calculator today.